point to
algebraic
expressions, I can write and evaluate algebraic expressions.
Nice job, Adam. Thank you. Number one, this has nothing to do with algebraic expressions. Well, a little bit, but not a lot. This is a quick PEMDAS review. This one tripped us up a little bit. 2y squared means, everybody up here, 2 times whatever y is, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. Cool. And then 3x squared, you guys got a little bit better at it as you went on, as we practiced it. Sliding on down, vocab. Talked about what an expression is. We talked about what a variable is. We talked about evaluate. I'm going to skip over number 2. Number 3 is a big one. Anatomy of an algebraic expression. So, what is this? Huh? Because it can't be anything but 4, right?
Yes.
Okay. This is also called a term because it is part of the algebraic expression. The other term would be the 2x, right?
Yes.
And the 2x is made up of what and what? Coefficient and
variable.
And what do the coefficient and variable, what are they doing together? What operation are they doing?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. Okay. So your definition of all 3 of them are right there. We kind of talked about. And moving down to number 4. This is the one where I got annoyed. Remember me getting annoyed?
Yes.
All we needed to do was plug in our variables into the expression and solve. That one had 2. What is this thing called again? What is this part? What is the 7x squared called?
Term.
What is the y called?
Variable.
It's a variable, but it also is a, down here, when we plugged in y, it became a, what?
Constant.
And then we wrote and evaluated expressions. The product of 10 and a number. There's a key word in here. Product means what?
Multiplication.
Multiplication, 10x. When you are writing coefficients and variables, what goes first, the coefficient or the variable?
Coefficient.
This guy right here, you write for your neighbor, Mr. Anderson. Was that his name, Helen? Mr. Anderson? He gave you $18 for 2 hours. When you broke that down into hours or dollars per hour, it was $9 per 1 hour, right? So if I raked leaves for 5 hours, I would make how much money?
$45.
How much money?
$45.
Girls, can your eyes come up here to me? Put your pencils down. Both of you. Eyes up here. Cool. And then you went to the zoo. $6 for a child, $10 for an adult.
Yes.
So we wrote an equation after we even assigned variables. We said C would be children, A would be adults because there's different values, yes, no?
Yes.
So $6 for a child plus $10 for an adult would give us total for whatever it is that we came as a family. So if you have a family of 10 and there are 2 adults and 8 children, we can plug in 2 adults here, 8 children here, and get our total. My family has 2 children and 2 adults. So when we multiply those together and add them up, we get how much money?
$32.
Any questions? We good? Paper and pencil.